Today, we will show you the ANENG Mini Multimeter, transparent protective shell. It also comes with a support bracket, convenient for standing work. The body is lightweight, slim, and compact. Convenient for on-the-go measurements. Unscrew the screws on the battery cover. Insert a CR2032. Button battery. When repairing household appliances, generally, start by checking if the circuit is connected. If it sounds when tested, it means it's connected. Plug in the power. Let's test whether the input AC voltage is normal. The measured voltages. Normal DC voltage. Most batteries provide direct current. Check it with an instrument. Small. Voltage. It can also measure accurately. Resistance detection. This is a 100 ohm resistor. The measurement results are accurate. Can be used for repairing circuit boards. Press the select key to switch diodes. Can illuminate LED beads. Can be used to detect the quality of LED beads on circuit boards. The device does not respond when powered on. The plug also has no electricity. It might be a broken wire. The NCV settings can be used for measurement. No need to strip the wire. No need to touch it. Can sense the presence or absence of electricity. Where does it stop ringing? This is the location of the circuit break. Try it again after connecting the wires properly. It can be turned on. Press the select key to shift gears. The single-shot zero-line test shows no response. Testing the live wire will produce a beeping sound as a reminder. Milliampere direct current. When detecting current, need to be connected in series to the circuit. Press the select key to switch AC current. When detecting current, need to be connected in series to the circuit. Short circuit discharge is required before detecting capacitors. Then you can use the probe line to measure. Measure the capacitance of the air conditioner capacitor to judge good and bad. Press the hold button to maintain the value. Hertz detection. The frequency of alternating current is around 50 Hz. Use the instrument to check. Adjust the hertz size. The instrument also provides real-time measurements.